Hello, my name is Ethan Michael Joseph. Today I want to explain what visualization is and how it helps in real business situations. I'll talk about what a virtual machine is, what parts it's made of, and how companies use it to save money, stay safe, work faster. This is something I've enjoyed learning about, and I'm excited to share what I know. So, to start, a virtual machine or VM is like a computer inside another computer. It works like a normal computer, but it's created by software. You can have many VMs running on one physical computer, and each VM can have its own operating system, like Windows or Linux. This works because of a special program called a hypervisor. The hypervisor controls how the physical computer shares its power, like the CPU, memory, and hard drive, with each virtual machine. This way, the computer can run many virtual machines at the same time, and they don't affect each other. So, a virtual machine has several important parts. The first one is the hypervisor. This is the software that creates and manages virtual machines. There are two kinds: one that runs directly on the hardware, and one that runs inside another operating system. And then there is what we call virtual CPU. This is like the brain of the virtual machine. It comes from the real computer CPU and lets the virtual machine process information. And there is virtual memory. This is like RAM, and the virtual machine uses part of the real computer's RAM to run programs. And then there is virtual hard disk. This stores the virtual machine's files, programs, and operating system, just like a real hard drive. And then there is virtual network card. This lets the virtual machine connect to other computers or the internet. So these parts, they work together to make the virtual machine act like a real computer. And then on the business example, let's say a company needs 3 servers, one for a website, one for email, and one for database. Instead of buying 3 separate computers, they can run 3 virtual machines on one strong machine. This saves money, space, and electricity. Also, businesses use virtual machines for testing. If they want to try a new program or update, they can test it on a virtual machine first. If something goes wrong, they can delete the virtual machine and try again without any damage to the root system. Virtual machines are also great for backup and also recovery. A company can take a snapshot of a virtual machine. If the system crashes, they can restore it quickly and keep working. So, to conclude, in short, visualization helps companies do more with fewer computers. It saves money, makes testing easier, and keeps systems safe. So I believe learning virtual machines is very important for working in IT, and I'm glad I had the chance to share what I've learned. Thank you for watching.